Alright, I know in the last video it was raining quite heavily, but this is ridiculous. I mean, look at this. Look at it. I'm gonna open the window. Hope, please don't break my thingy. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Can you hear that? That is the sound of Great British weather right there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna shut my window now. That is the sound of Great British weather. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is fucking... Oh my god. I mean, believe me, we've had some horrible weather in Britain. We've had fucking snow, hail. Mate, it snowed in June. It snowed in fucking June once. I think 1975 or something. It snowed in June. It's like the fucking monsoon outside. Mind you, it has been absolutely boiling these last few weeks. We need this. It was actually thundering earlier. Stop now. Jesus Christ. By the way, my fan's going in the background, so that's probably what you can hear. Jesus Christ! There's a motorway over there. I bet people are absolutely crying their eyes out. But yeah, it's raining. Bollocks.